Yeah man, what's up guys? Yeah, I don't know, it's the east side farm and as you can see, why semi-tractor left on the road, you know? So, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified whenever east side farm I drop a new video. So, right now as you can see, semi-tractor left on the road. I plow up something on here. Yeah man, semi-tractor come from all the way down there, so. Yeah? So, I go and deal with that thing, show you how we deal with it. Yeah man, we don't want no plow, you know. Semi-tractor there. Yeah man, that's how we deal with it man. Yeah man, that way you know we do less weeding, see? Grass are too rubber quicker. Yeah, what's up guys? I'm here again, you know, back in the farm. As I don't know, we are east side farmer, so I'll show you what I go on the farm, you know. Yeah man, we are up on right now. The work. Semi-tractor, you see it? So, yeah man, it actually look like a plow, but yeah man, a semi-tractor, you know. Just fork alone, fork and, you know, look energy. East side farmer, yeah man. Me alone do this, yeah. Just fork and, you know. Yeah man. So this I go on right along on the east side farm, you know. Yeah man. Look like a tractor do it, but actually it's not tractor. Yeah man. As far as you can see, yeah. Semi-tractor work, you know. Yeah man. So just showing a quick video of what I go on, you know. Because I know we get some extra time. An extra day, you know. So take the time out for do some more video. Yeah man. So we are see right now. some callaloo seedling. See? Yeah, man. I plant them out in idea, yeah, but I do some forking in idea, then do some planting, yeah, man. So this I go on the east side farm. Yeah. I want peeps, if first time watching, please subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified when I do a new video. Yeah, man. But please like, comment, share and subscribe if first time watching. So peeps, as I say, this I go on the farm. Yeah, man, maybe you guys wondering why I do some forking and leave these trees, but these are callaloo. Yeah, so when I try get for do now, I try, you know, you're not called it recycle. Yeah, man, try get the seeds, where the seeds, you know, them paddy. So that is a separate video to show you how I go about to get the seeds from it. So yeah, man, not ready to chop them out yet. Yeah, so that I go on, you know. Yeah, man, semi-tractor work. Yeah. As I said, this video won't be long, but you know, short and spicy and interesting. Yeah, man. Every place, everything you see right here, work from the semi-tractor, you know. Yeah, man. See it there. Yeah, man, and these are some callaloo. Yeah. Nice and pretty, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, and these I call them the cow tongue callaloo. See it? Yeah, man. Leave them broad, you know, and tall. So these are the cow tongue. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, and this is one more variety of the cow tongue. Yeah, man, I try get some seed from it. Yeah. But as I say, this is a different video. What I'm gonna do to show you guys how to get the seed from the old callaloos. Yeah, man. And these right here are some young set. So more these are just one day ago, so you know the water have a step on the same way. They easy catch them, but it need water to grow them faster. Yeah, man. And this field now, more callaloo. Yeah, man. So this one now is in harvest. Yeah. You don't want to go too near because, as you can see, the water system. Yeah, man. So it works very well. Yeah, man. So all of this right here Callaloo, you know? Yeah, man. About one pumpkin tree I run through it, eh? So this I go on the farm. Yeah, man. So guys, please remember to drop a comment in the comment section and like, share the video as much as possible. Yeah, man. If you're first time watching, please subscribe, click the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I do a new video. Yeah, so this is going on the farm, you know. Farm in action right now. Yeah. So guys, it look pretty good now, you know. Yeah, man. And this field also is in harvest. Yeah, man. So great field, huh? Yeah, man. But guys, honestly, it's really hard to give you content every week because you know, as what I would always say, I'm employed. So whenever I get some like free time, I try to put out new content. So yeah, man. Yeah, man. See it there? Semi-tractor work again, you know? Yeah. So this now refined and ready for plant, you know? Yeah, man. There's a good look. So guys, please continue to support the channel. Like, comment, share. So that, you know, the channel can grow. Yeah, man. Please share as much as you can to get a thing viral. Yeah, and other people get to know what go on the east side farm, yeah. As well most of you guys know already, you know. Then Jamaica, St. Thomas, yeah, located in Port Morant. Yeah, that's the farm there, you know. So guys, just stay tuned and please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. So until next time, Eastside Farmer signing out.